Hi there, this is Rich, WB5YBZ, and I have an FTDX10, and boy, I tell you what, on contest, it's really a remarkable radio. It's got this span feature, and the width of it is the scale. It's amazing. So if you have a whole bunch of stations, you can widen that up where it looks like a station here and a station here. It might just be a half a kilohertz off if you want to really separate it. But let me go on over the rig. Thanks so much for watching. If you could just give me a thumbs up and subscribe, it helps me out a whole bunch. All right, over here to the FTDX10. I just love this radio. It has a span, not spam that you eat. I had to make a funny on that. I'm sorry. Okay, right now I have the kilohertz span as 100 kilohertz. If you look down here in the corner, I don't know if you can see it, that's going from what I have up here, 14.025.14. It's right down here, and my hand's shaking too much probably, but it's 14.025.14. And then on this side, it's 14.125.140. That's a 100 kilohertz span. But if you want to bring it down to 20 kilohertz, you just click it there. And now this is 14.025.140. And this one is 14.045.14. In other words, 20 kilohertz above this. So the whole span is 20 kilohertz, and you just keep on adjusting it. We'll go more in detail when I get the antenna on. What I like about the FTDX10, right now you can see there's a bunch of CW activities, probably a little contest of some sort, so I'm going to have to work real fast or it'll be over with. It's at 200 kilohertz right now, but let me just drop it down to 50 kilohertz. You can see it's sort of split out a little bit more, but they're still a lot close together. So let's span this out to, let's say 10. Now, look how much space is between each signal. Now, if we want to, we could go to span 5 kilohertz. Now, the whole span here is 5 kilohertz, so you have to go pretty slow in order to see. There's one. And you can just see each station where they are. It's not jumbled, so to speak, but it's more separate. And I guess if you really want to, you can go down to 2 kilohertz. So you can see these are probably pretty close to each other. So that's 29.029.4, and this one's 29.18. So, and let's see, we could go down to 1 kilohertz. Now there's 1 kilohertz, 1 whole kilohertz right in here. Isn't that amazing? So someone's talking here at 27, almost 28. And we'll go over here. Let's see where this one. So 28.5 more, I would say, something like that. Isn't that amazing? So we'll put our span back on about 100. And you can see all the CW stations down there. It's just amazing to me what all the neat things this FTDX10 does. But another thing is, field day's coming up. You can split hairs with the QR Mary, so to speak. It's a really great radio.